Have you ever dreamt of visiting France? Wandering the streets in Paris, or swimming in the Mediterranean in Nice, or even sipping on some delicious wine in Bordeaux? I wouldn't be surprised if you had. France is incredible. And what if you could travel there and speak to the locals in their language, in French, one of the most beautiful languages in the world? This French for Beginners course will teach you to do just that, and we have found you the best teacher. Her name is CLARA, and she was born in Lyon in France, and she actually now lives in Bangkok, Thailand, where she's been teaching both French and English for the last 5 years. CLARA will teach you the basics of things like grammar, vocabulary, and sentence structure, but she's also going to teach you the basics of things like conjugation, which is not something that every French course will teach you. So if you want to learn a ton of French in just 4 hours from an incredible teacher, enroll in this course today.